So certainly looking around these days and what retailers are starting to really actively engage in are particularly mobile wallets is one of the big areas that we're seeing a lot of activity right now. And this of course is where on one smartphone we're starting to integrate payment systems, debit cards, credit cards. Certainly loyalty cards are being built into that now. Promotional opportunities, digital couponing, all of those things are really going to start to open up a whole different way that retailers are going to be able to facilitate transactions, but also facilitate the way that they communicate with customers as well. So mobile is also opening up some other opportunities where same scenario, person in a bricks and mortar store may be doing some price check, but they may also be taking a picture of the item and sending it off to one of their friends to get their advice on whether they think this is the right thing to purchase. So social media is taking on a whole different life through mobile technology as well. So all of these things are starting to really play a significant role in how retailers are going to have to be thinking about and engaging in the mobile retail age that we're rapidly entering into. I think a lot of retailers are feeling now that consumers are really driving the interaction. And it used to be that retailers would have the ability to kind of set the relationship with their customers. They would determine when they would promote, they would determine how they would communicate with them, they would determine how products got sold. Customers now, with this greater flexibility that they're having on mobile technology, are really being the ones that are saying, no, I'm going to start actually being the one that will influence this. So they are changing the customer experience, and they're putting retailers in a position where they need to be able to respond to what the customer is wanting at any given point in time. One of the things that mobile technology has really done for retail is it's forced the need to think about all of their channels of distribution in a much more holistic way. And so it's really creating an environment where the IT people need to be intimately engaged and aligned with the marketing people, or vice versa, the marketing people aligned with IT, so that they are really bringing technology to the customer in a way that is effectively engaging the customer and creating that customer experience, is giving the retailer an opportunity to move more and more to some one-on-one communications with customers. But that can only be successful if, in fact, the marketing person understands where the technology is going, but also is helping the technology people understand how they want to effectively use those tools to work with their customers.